For years, Python packaging has been hard for many people to learn. You want to download packages from PyPI? Use pip. You want to make sure that the packages are not conflicting between your different projects? Use virtual environments. You want to make sure that you have different versions of Python siloed but available to you? Use pyenv. You want to upload your projects that you're so proud of to other people and make them available on PyPI? Use twine or use poetry. Every single task you want to do was done with a different tool, and they typically didn't work perfectly well together, and they were slow. Enter UV. About a year and a half ago, UV entered the scene, and it has taken the Python world by storm, and for good reason. You could think of it as the Python packaging super app. It downloads things like pip. It keeps things siloed with virtual environments like venv. It keeps track of different versions of Python like pyenv, and it lets you publish things to PyPI like poetry or twine. And it does this super fast, easily, with a unified interface, and with development that is continuing at an incredible pace, adding new features every week. There's a good reason why people are excited about UV, and you should be too. The thing is, switching to UV is not super obvious to many people. How do you do it? How do I move my projects? What's in it for me? And how should I be thinking about things? That's why I've created the UV Crash Course. This is a free 12-part email course. You sign up, and every day for 12 days, you get a new message from me giving practical advice on how to use UV, from installation to configuration to virtual environments to tools to Python versions to even publishing your own packages to PyPI. Go to uvcrashcourse.com. It is completely and utterly free, and learn why everyone is super duper excited about UV. I think after you take this course, you will be also. Looking forward to seeing you there. uvcrashcourse.com.